A sweet seller has 420 Kaju Barfis and 130 Badam Barfi. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. What is the number of that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? See that here we have to find the number of that can be placed in each stack. So we should at first find the HCF of 420 and 130 by Euclid's division lemma, because we know that HCF is the common factor of given numbers. Here two numbers is given 420 and 130. So at first we find the HCF of 420 and 130 and the last and the HCF will be the number. So here 420 greater than 130. So A is equal to 420 and B is equal to 130. By using Euclid's division lemma, A, we know that A is equal to BQ plus R. या A 420 बराबर B 130 Q. On dividing 420 by 130, we get 3. We get 3 as a quotient. 130, 0, 9. On subtracting, now our new division is 30 and the new division is 130. 30 for the 120, 0, 10. So A बराबर 420 is equal to 130 into Q, 3 plus remainder is equal to 30. Here new divisor. Here new divisor is 30 and new dividend is 130. So 130 बराबर, again 130 बराबर 30 into 4, division into quotient plus remainder is equal to 10. Remainder is equal to 10. Again next step, 30 बराबर 10 into 3, division into quotient plus remainder is equal to 0. So the HCF of 420 and 130 is 10. Here remainder is 0. So last division will be the HCF of the given number 420 and 130. Therefore, the sweet seller the sweet seller can make the sweet seller can make this is your answer. This is your answer. Yes, we have to find the SCF of 420 and 130 because SCF is the common factor. So at first we find SCF of 420 and 130 by Euclid's division lemma. A is equal to BQ plus R. Here A बराबर dividend 420 and B is equal to division 130 and quotient is 3. So A बराबर BQ plus remainder is 30. Here remainder is not 0. So we continued our process. 130 बराबर 130 बराबर dividend new dividend 130 and a new division is 30 and 4 is quotient. Dividend into quotient plus remainder is 10. Again by using Euclid's division lemma, 30 is equal to new dividend बराबर 30. समझ new dividend बराबर 30 बराबर 10 into 3 plus 0. We have to find the number. We have to find the number that can be placed in each stock for this purpose. So take up. So we have to find the SCF of it 420 and 130. Again I explain your question. एक मिठाई विक्रेता 420 काजू बर्फी और 130 बादाम बर्फी। एक मिठाई विक्रेता के पास में 420 काजू बर्फी और 130 बादाम बर्फी है। वह she wants to stock them in such a way, वह उसको इस तरह से स्टॉक करना चाहती है that each stock has the same number, जिससे कि प्रत्येक स्टॉक में बराबर संख्या में मिठाई हो। And they take up the least area of the tray, और वह ट्रे में कम से कम जगह छेदता हो। What is the number of that can be placed in each stock? We have to find the number. So at first you can find the SCF of 420 and 130. So SCF last divisor is 10. So the SCF of the given number is 10. We have to find that what is the number of that can be placed in each stock. माने प्रत्येक स्टॉक फॉर दिस पर्पस, माने उसे किस तरह से रखना चाहिए कि बराबर संख्या में और कम जगह छेके, प्रत्येक स्टॉक बराबर संख्या में। तो if we find the HCF, then we take common factor. So common factor is 10. Hence the HCF of one problem is 1.1. तुमने 1.1 थ्योरम पूछा है, उसको प्रूफ करने के लिए 1.0 for any two given integers a and b, there exists a number q and r such that a बराबर bq plus r. A is equal to theorem 1.1. The statement is for any two numbers a and b, there exists a number q and r such that A is equal to BQ plus R. This is a lemma. You have studied this lemma in such a way that Bhaj is equal to Bhajak guna Bhagfal Joshul says. You have studied in this lemma in previous classes. Bhaj बराबर भाजक गुना भागफल जोड़ says. This is a theorem 1.1. In this chapter, this theorem is called Euclid's division lemma. Or I had told you the definition of lemma. Lemma is a proven statement. लेमा ये प्रूवन स्टेटमेंट यह एक सिद्ध किया हुआ कथन है which is used for solve. By this lemma you can find the HCF of given two or more numbers. So this proof is the verification of this lemma is not given in the book. You have only learned that भाज्य बराबर भाजक गुना भागफल जोड़ से A बराबर BQ plus R. It is called theorem 1.1, but its verification, its proof is not given. So you have to only remember that A बराबर BQ plus R, theorem 1.1. For any two numbers A and B, there exists a given number Q and R such that A बराबर BQ plus R. This is a lemma. This is not a theorem. But in the NCERT book, it is called a theorem. But it is not a theorem. It is a lemma, proven statement, which you are clear.